ito guys, yung issue nito hindi nare-reset. Problema niya 5 volts regulator shorted. Ito naman ayaw mamatay ng compressor. Ice machine Hoshizaki regulator still okay, but the problem is this normally close is fuck up. See, this should be the normally closed, normally open. Take a look at this. This is the right one, this is the good one. Normally closed, normally open. So I'm taking this and install here. Akala ng iba madali lang mag-electronics, hindi na alam kung saan lang kami kumukuha ng parts. Ang parts ang pinakamahirap hanapin, lalo na kung nasa isla ka na ang materialis ay sayo pa, gamit mo sayo din. Wala naman siguro sundalo, nasa kanya yung baril, nasa kanya yung bala. I will just take this good relay and install to this faulty one. I've been doing this with refrigeration controls, and these are my techniques on how to fix. Since when I was in Brunei, relays are not available in my area too, and now we are here in Bermuda. Ordering parts at my own expense is not possible. It's too expensive in doing that. Sarili pa nating oras ito. Okay? So, ganyan lang mga idol. I-installan natin ito. Tinest ko din ito kung paano siya i-test. Meron lang itong normally closed at normally open. So, welded na siya. Hopefully, gagana. Hindi ko matest itong mga to kasi 220 voltage ito. At itong tinitirhan ko is 110. Ayaw ko naman na maglabas ng 220 mula dun sa aming circuit breaker. Meron kaming main DB dito na 110. May makukuha ng sana akong dalawang 110 kaso mo pag may na-break ako dito, responsible ako dito. Nasa contract na pinirmahan ko. So hindi ko ito matetest mga idol, gaya namang ginagawa ko sa previous video ko na pwede ko siyang ludan para matest. Salamat sa panonood.